Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Look at this poster. I made this on the occasion of World Ozone Day, which is celebrated on 16 September every year. Today I will explain why we all celebrate World Ozone Day. Ozone Day is celebrated to spread awareness about ozone layer for our planet. It is getting weaker with every passing year. It acts like a blanket and protects Earth from harmful UV rays of sun. Planting trees and using eco-friendly goods can help save ozone layer. And you know what is ozone? The ozone layer is mainly found in the lower portion of the Earth's atmosphere. It acts as a shield absorbing ultraviolet radiation from the sun. UV rays are very dangerous for living beings. If there is no ozone layer, people will start suffering from skin related diseases. That's why we need to protect ozone layer. And there is a small poem on ozone layer which is written by David Gold. The ozone layers are peeled away by all the things we use each day. Fumes from cars, sprays for hair, still we use but don't care. We have been shown the right direction. These layers are for our own protection. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.